everyone, I'm Annie Heilbrunn, and this is your San Diego Union-Tribune COVID-19 news update for Wednesday, May 27th. As businesses throughout San Diego County begin to reopen, in San Ysidro there's still a sense of emptiness. That's because the border remains closed and most of the customers in San Ysidro typically come from Tijuana. While all of San Ysidro is taking a hit because of the border closure, it is the boulevard side that is getting the worst of it. Well, if you're one of the many San Diegans who could use a little haircut and color right about now, you're in luck. Governor Gavin Newsom said Tuesday that barbers and stylists can go back to work beginning today, provided they meet the range of safety precautions. For now, California is only allowing procedures where both the clients and the workers can wear facial coverings. So that means things like facials and eyelash extensions are not allowed, and neither are manicures and pedicures right now, although the county health official said that service should be coming soon. Local churches, mosques, and synagogues are also allowed to resume, provided they are at 25% capacity or 100 people, whichever is smaller, and one-on-one sports instruction can also pick back up. Theme parks, including SeaWorld and Legoland, are scheduled to meet today with county health officials to discuss their plans for reopening. Theme parks are part of Stage 3 and are targeting a July 1st return to operations. Those reopenings will be dependent on infection and hospitalization rates remaining stable, as well as the theme park's ability to show that they can meet the safety measures required to reopen. We want to remind you that information is your first line of defense. Become a subscriber and get unlimited digital access to all of our news, wherever and whenever you want it. Don't miss a story. Go to SanDiegoUnionTribune.com/subscribe.